Wait, hold up. Start walking? Wait, start.
Yeah! Alright, CTB, do you want to see something really
What?
cool? Really cool?
What?
Come here. Stand like right over here. Alright, so, do you know what I have in this bag here?
What is it?
Buddy.
Alright, so, what do we want to show this man first? Because we've played, but this guy hasn't. This is his first time.
We'll see the first like cave over there, and then we'll show him the chicken, and then we'll go to the dark zone.
No. Ruh-roh! Let's go. We're robbing this cave, alright? We're robbing this cave.
How do
Open the
you
bag
open
with your
it?
upper button. Upper button on the control you're holding the bag with. Yeah. Okay. No. Oh,
Did I do it?
like
I
that.
think you did it.
Then grab the thing that you have. No,
It's not working.
you don't have the bag open.
Well, then how do I do that? You just said I did
It's
it.
open. It's open.
Not on my screen.
Oh god, he has the glitch.
Oh.
You did it.
I did it, I guess.
Guys. No, I want a banana.
I want this toilet paper.
I want this. Oh.
What? What is that?
Cover me. Oh, bro, look. Hey, bank.
Wait,
82 entire dollars.
Just like
Guys. Guys. No! No! Oh my god! Come here, fishy! Grab the banana. If you dare. I'm gonna steal his riches! CTV, do you want to steal the egg? Or do you want me
Sure.
Alright. I'm gonna walk you through stealing the egg. Oh yeah, red light, green light, by the way. This little goober does not like visitors. Here, I'll lure it away. We're gonna heist the egg. Alright? Grape,
How
you
do
know
you
the
get it?
drill. You know the drill, Grape. You know the
How do
drill.
you get egg?
We're gonna heist the egg. Just follow my lead.
Dude, what?
Alright, quick.
How do you get it?
Horn! No, place it down! I'm gonna stuff it inside the bag.
Take it. This is. Oh my. Okay, guys, can we go see the Gyat monster now?
Yeah, sure. Let's go see Let's go see Sir Gyatsalot. Alright. Bomb!
Oh, there he is.
There he is! Sir Gyatsalot.
Okay, you wanna go see a fishy now?
Oh yeah, let's go see our best friend. Oh my god! Okay. Heist! Heist the ruby! Go! Why is he following? Oh my god! I'm gonna go get the ruby. The ruby. I have the ruby. I'm coming back to, you know, the normal place. god! Yes! Oh my god! That was such a clutch Alright, let's see how much money we've got, boys. Hey!
What in the?
785! I did that, baby! Let's go! The bomb was like... It literally exploded when I got teleported back here. Oh my god. Oh. No. Grape! No! No!
Yeah!
We're gonna do one final heist. All three of us. We're gonna go. Okay, bring the big flashlight and bring the small one. You're on flashlight duty.
Can I tell?
Not you! Not you! Not you, bro. Put the flashlight down. Put the flashlight down.
No.
We're gonna go over there and we're gonna steal that chicken egg. Alright?
Okay.
CTB, I need you to get the chicken egg. Per usual, Grape will be the bait. Alright, go! Go in, go in, go in! Go in. Alright,
Hey,
open the bag.
hold
Open the bag, shove the egg in it. No, it fell out, Goober. You have to hold the bag right side up. Open the bag.
Guys, I think
Okay, good. Alright,
she's
go!
asleep.
I literally got it. Hold up.
Oh my gosh. Let me have the bag. Oh,
Just go! Just go! Just go!
go! Oh my god. Alright, give me your bag. Give me your bag. Alright, there.
Wait, don't grab anyone else.
No. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, abort mission! Go, go, go! Alright, go. Follow Grape's lead. Alright, turn on the big
Flashlight.
one. Turn on the big
Alright.
one. That way. Okay. Bro, stop spilling the egg. Alright, let's go get the ruby. Bombs. Oh shoot! Ruby! Ruby! The ruby!
Oh my gosh, it's dead.
Let's head home, boys. Alright. Let's head home! Oh shoot! Bomb! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That was the biggest flunk I've ever seen. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. This is test flight, numero uno. Thanks for watching, I guess.
Bye.
Let's go! I